everyone, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So today I will be doing this eye makeup look with you all, and this is a red tone eye makeup look that I have done with little bit of green going on my lash line. Wear this makeup with your Indian outfits as well as Western outfits and you will look absolutely gorgeous. And I have used nude lipsticks with these eyes. You can go for bold lip color as well. So let's start the video. So I will be using the Huda Beauty palette again today, but you can use whatever you have. So first I will use this color, then this color, then this color. It's a kind of reddish red tone. What you people can do is you can take three different colors, three different kind of in the same color range. So first I'm taking the most lightest shade of all and will just apply a little bit here and also extend it outwards. We'll be using another brush and then the lighter pink color, and that will straight away go on to my crease. I just applied the transition color, if you have noticed, just above the crease here, and now I will be using this totally on the crease and will just extend it at the same time. And keep on intensifying as much as you want. Now I will be using the darkest shade here. This one. My fingers. See, it looks on my hand a little bit pink. I don't know how to describe this color. I'm very bad in describing colors. I will take the pink color, baby pink color, and then I will blend. Also here I'm blending the pink color with this. Also I can take the transition color and do the same. Now with this pointed brush I will be mixing black and a little bit brown. First I will be using brown and then I will mix black and brown and then apply. So first I will be using this brown and then after this black, just on the outer corner. I'm just placing the color and then pushing it outwards. Then I'm taking this brush and will blend again. We are done with the eyeshadow. Now the lower lash line, I'm using this Color pencil in Flirty Twerk and will just apply on the lash line, not on the waterline. On the first go only, don't just apply too much. Be thickening the lash line but with the help of a smudger, okay? I'm taking this right over here, okay, where my eyes actually end on the lower part, and will just extend it outside. Just the way I did it here. If you can notice a little bit, it's just a minute detail, but people who are not used to, those who cannot do this, just leave it as it is. You can smudge it till here. Don't try. You can practice obviously, but then it's not mandatory. Taking the LAKME Iconic Kajal and we'll just place on the waterline. Also apply it on the upper waterline. Curl my lashes. Will apply my current favorite mascara. So now what I will do is I will just highlight my inner corners and under my brows. So it has got a pretty shade here. This is known as moon dust. Also just like here, I just cleaned it up. I will clean it up for this eye as well.
Sponge. I have used this sponge today. I have used this sponge.
So I'm done with all my makeup. I will add on some jewelry and come back. I hope you will be liking this tutorial, and if you do like it, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see, and also subscribe to my channel. Ting ting ting. This is a bell button. You should click the bell button as well so that you get notified, and once I upload my video, you can just go and watch my video right then. So I will see you next Tuesday with another tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life: live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh, make others laugh. Bye bye and take care.